Blender's gotta be like the worst thing ever. Like I keep trying to I'm gonna put it back in. I swear if it doesn't happen again, I'm gonna say a mean word to whoever. Where's my texture, Blender? Where is it? To keep like importing the texture because Blender's too lazy to look right here to get the texture. I have to like wait, and then I can't just drag the thing in here. I have to like go select the right one, and then it's this one. But like it never has the right material on it. Either it doesn't have the right material or it just puts the wrong freaking texture on it. And then like when I try to put the texture on it, like I selected the mesh, I put now it's on this one, and then when I press Control Z, it just closes Blender. Like what the fuck? Stupid Blender. You suck. Let me apply my shit to the right thing.